So I'm going to be unboxing this time for real. So I haven't opened this yet. I'm gonna open it now. And let's see what's inside. So this is the December 2023 art box. I am looking forward to it. 52. This looks nice. Let's see what's inside. Oh no, something happened here. Okay. What happened? Oh no! Oh no! Oh dear. Well, this does not usually happen. Okay, let's take this out and get this out of here because it looks a bit messy. Yeah, so this is what we have for this month. This is interesting. I've never seen this before. Phantom. And we have a Micron 01. We gotta test this out. This looks so interesting. Oh, brush nib. I wonder if it bends. I see we're gonna be purple and yellow. And I haven't used this color palette a lot, to be honest. Jenny Adam is the artist of the month. This is nice. And we have some stickers, which are kind of nice, and these small. Actually, how much do these cost? Because usually we get a lot more stuff inside than just this. I want to test these out. It's kind of hard to write with these. I guess they're not meant for writing. Let's see if it bleeds. No. Okay. Oh, but these are juicy. They're nice. And okay, not bad. It blends. These are interesting. So they're alcohol markers, but they're not like the other ones. Ooh, what a bright yellow. Just so you know, there's a chisel nib. I don't try chisel nibs that often because I like the brush nibs more. Besides, the chisel nibs always work in the same way, usually. Wow, this is so dark. Let's see how it looks on top of this. I'm not really used to this type of... Okay. Does it blend? Not that much. Interesting. So I can layer them on top of each other. And the purple B Micron. Wow, this is really pigmented too. Okay. What could I draw with these? Since this kind of reminds me of royalty, how about we design something for royalty? Something that could fit in here. I'm gonna make a thumbnail and think of someone maybe sitting down, posing. I'm not really good at sitting down poses, but yeah. It's also for the fun of it. Oh, what if it's instead of a couch, one of those like fainting couches, you know? How do they look like? Something like this. Right? And then I'm not sure. I really should look at references. How about a painting? And I'm not very good at decorating frames, but how about an oval one? And since we have purple, it makes me think of flowers, so perhaps some flowers, connecting them. I'll try to think of more ways to decorate this, but yeah. And inside here would be someone, a queen, something like this. Let's give her a crown. Perhaps we could incorporate the flowers somehow. Maybe some flowers here. And then she could have a simple necklace and perhaps more flowers here. And could be decorated a bit. Something like that, maybe. Okay, I think this is too big for the head. Maybe we could get started with the yellow. So we are going to make the oval as oval as it can be when you're doing it freehand. Let's leave this here to get inspired. I like the bird and color combinations. So we could say that she comes here and perhaps she's holding her arms on her lap as people usually do in the paintings. Okay, first the head, and I'm just gonna pin everything in. Never mind. So how about we make it a bit more interesting? Is this typical? It might be. But I'm so bad at decorating, I just don't have ideas. And then we could have the dress. Let's say this is where the sleeves are. Oh no, it looks like a different color. Made a mistake. Oh well. Well, let's just say the sleeves are a different color than the rest of the dress. And this could be a cape that comes from behind. Yeah, I like that idea. We like capes. Doesn't look that bad. And if there are capes, how about a veil? We like those too. It does give some sort of elegance. Oh, doesn't look half bad. Take this one for the flowers. They don't have to look perfect, they just have to give the illusion that they're flowers. And some flowers in the hair. Maybe one more. Ooh. Alright, this is starting to look like something. I like it. Oh wow, there's barely any difference between this and this. Interesting. Also, not that good. This could be the ear. We could have the nose. I'll do the rest with this. Oh yeah, and the lip shadow. And then the shadow of the arms. And here would come the other arm. Yeah, something of the sort. I'm gonna define it because it's a bit hard to work like this. So this is no tutorial, please. Please do not take this as a tutorial. Don't try this at home. I mean, you can try it, but this is by no means the right way to do it. This is just something I am experimenting with right now as I go. Okay, I'm gonna make some ruffles here. So that we have a clear idea of what these are. What about the other hand? I don't wanna. Okay, I think I can play it safe. I'm gonna make some details. Was it this one? Yeah. Gonna make some details here. This looks like ahead of its time kind of fashion, like abstract or something. Oh, I was gonna draw a queen, and this doesn't look like a queen. She needs a crown. What if she's going to become a queen? So what if we are going to represent the crown? Okay, so let's say these are a bit of the shading. Maybe I should do it all around so it actually does look like shading and not just made up. I'm not sure about that, but oh well. So I did say I was gonna add flowers. Kinda looks cute. Then I'm gonna use this one because it's darker. The shadow should continue inside too. How about some sunshine because I don't know, because why not? Because we like sunshine, even if we don't get much of that here, especially in winter. We only have a few hours of sunlight. Do I miss the sun? Actually, sometimes I don't even notice how long it's been since I've seen the sun. I do want to do something more. Maybe a bit of decor. This is a mess. This is a mess. Let's hope everything else makes up for it. I kinda like it. It's kinda cute. Okay. I also want to shade here a bit. Was interesting. I would have never tried this technique if it weren't for the art box. I do have to say I am slightly disappointed. There were only these 4-5 things, art supplies in there. These perhaps, I don't know how expensive these are. I really should look it up. But still, I would have preferred lower quality colors and more colors. Like, okay, I do appreciate quality, but it is 24 euros the box a month, and I wouldn't normally spend it on this, you know. So other boxes had so much going on. You're going to see it. And oh wow, I'm just realizing I'm starting to to make my art look like one of my favorite YouTube artists. If you've seen her, you know who I'm talking about. I don't mind. I mean, she is one of my favorite artists, so I don't mind that my art is looking like her. I'm just surprised that it does remind me of, perhaps it's the colors too. Yeah, she does like drawing with purple. So I hope you enjoyed this video, that you could draw along, and you got to see with me what was in the box. This is actually my first unboxing in a video where I actually don't know what's inside, and I am testing this as I go. I just made everything up in this video. I had no plan whatsoever on what to do. So this is what was inside. I hope you enjoyed it, and see you next time for the next video, unboxing or drawing. Stay creative. Bye!